Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we continue with index array. What about if we decide to store numbers, not actually alphabets, in an array? How do we do that? Let me get rid of all this and let's see we're storing numbers. Okay, and the numbers, and let me store mainly even numbers. Okay, let's do even numbers, and because they are numbers, I will not put quotation mark. So even numbers are from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and let me stop at 16. Okay, now we can continue as we want, but these are the numbers. If I want to if I want to get 12, I want to equal it on the screen. Remember, we have to we call the name of the array, which is numbers. That's what you must always do. Now the array is numbers, then we open our square bracket. Then because we want 12, remember this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12 is 5. So we put our 5 here. Okay, then if we echo this on the screen, you see that we have 12. So let me refresh that, and we have 12. What about if I want to add 10 and 2? All I will just do, I will say the position of 2 is 0. Then I'll just simply use plus. Then I also have to add the name of the array, numbers, and I'll also write 10, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. I want to add, that is 2 and 10. Now let me save that, and when I refresh my browser, and the result will be there. Okay, we have 2. Okay, of course that's 12 already. So 2 plus 10 is this, and let me just change this one to 5. Let me change it to 5, so we have different value there. Different value. Let me refresh that. Okay, we have 14. So you can add all the values this way. But what about if we want to add all the values in this array? How do we add all the values in the array? It is also very simple. This time around, let me use for each loop. Let's use for each loop is also in PHP. For each, we say numbers, then as the simple for each numbers as, let me say total. Okay, then I'll open my square bracket and curly braces, and now let me initialize the sum. Let me call this one sum is equals to 0. Okay, so I will come here, I'll write sum. Our sum is equals to plus. This time around, I'm not going to use numbers because I already have computer total as total, so I will use this one instead. Okay, so let me copy this, and we have the total. Okay, total, that's just it. I think it will give us the result. We don't need square bracket in this case because we're using for each loop. In this case, we don't need square bracket. Okay, I need to echo it out. Let me echo it out. Let me echo sum. Okay, and let me save it. Then let's refresh our browser. We'll refresh our browser, and let's see what we have. Oh, we have 26. We have all the values there. I think there's an error somewhere. Okay, it gives us all the values in an array. That is 2, 26. All right, I'll not echo it. Like you cannot echo it inside the loop. You always get the result like that. So you have to echo it outside the loop if you want to get the exact result. So take note. You might come across things like that especially for any programmer. So let me press this. So the final result is 58. So if I add another value here, let me see 18. When I put 18, automatically the result will change, and that is 76. So you can either use loops, whichever type of loop for each loop, while loop, to loop through the elements of an array. Okay, so I think we have exhaust what to have on index array. You can learn more, download materials on the internet, and watch more YouTubes online. That will help you greatly. Please, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to produce more videos on this. Take care.